Welcome all. This is our lecture 14, and in this lecture, we will cover the topic table caption. What is the table caption? What is the use of it? Why do we use it? We will learn this in this lecture. As the name table caption is also known as the table heading as well. What is the meaning and what is the purpose of a table? It will show clearly to the readers and anyone who is reading the table. And for, for this we have a tag, that is caption tag. It is always come with its companion tag, and there is an attribute, that is align. As you are looking that we have two values, that is top and bottom. So in the align we have two values, top and bottom. We can set the table caption or table heading at the top of the table or at the bottom of the table. As this is the example for a table caption. Clear? This is the table caption with a table caption. Now this will be the output. If you are not using any align, then it by default come at the top of the table. Clear? We will also implement this in the live session also. This is the another example for table caption. This is an table. The visuals I think are not clear, but you can check. This is our table caption, which shows the information about the table. Now come to the live session. Take our program. This is our program. Now come to the output. Now check. This is our output. You have to check this. This is our caption, table caption. We can change the direction as well, as like by the align bottom. Now check, the caption is at the bottom. Clear this thing? Implement this and make your notes.